Today we're covering how you can freeze multiple rows and multiple columns in Excel. So here we just have some data. We got to scroll a little bit horizontally to see everything. We got to scroll vertically a little bit to see everything. And so what we want to do is first, we want these two rows to freeze in place. So when we scroll, we can see what each column is, because right here we're like, oh, well, what is this? Is this profit, unit cost? What is that? And so we would like to see what those headers are for each column. So to freeze a row, the first step is obviously to know what you want to freeze. So we want row 1 and 2 to freeze as we scroll. So what we need to do is we need to select any cell below the rows we want to freeze. And that's important to remember, anything below the rows we want to freeze. And then we'll go up here to View, go over to Window where it says Freeze Panes, drop down, and we'll just select Freeze Panes. So then everything above this will be frozen. So as you can see, as we scroll, those stay. To undo the freeze pane, all you do is go to the same place and select Unfreeze Pane. And now that's unfrozen. So with this data right now, we currently have to scroll to the right, and we can't see maybe the ID or the product when we scroll. So we want to freeze columns A and B because we want to know the ID and which product it is when we're scrolling over. So in order to do that, it's very similar to freezing a row. You just select one cell outside of the columns you want to. So we want to freeze columns A and B, so we can select any cell in column C. So then we go up here and we hit Freeze Panes, and you can see as we scroll, that stays the same. Now we froze the pane on cell C3. So that means when we selected to freeze the pane, that means everything above it and everything to the left of it is going to freeze. We can see that rows 1 and 2 are still frozen, and columns A and B are frozen. And then you can simply just unfreeze panes to get rid of any of the freezing you've done. Now one more thing before you go. Let's just say that we didn't have this row. So we'll go ahead and delete that. Now if you want to do it a little bit quicker, you can simply go to freeze pane and you can just freeze the top row, or you can freeze the first column, right? And so that will just freeze those things for you. But that's all there is to it. That is how you freeze multiple rows or multiple columns within Excel. And right before you go, please hit the like button. Don't forget that. That really helps me out so much. And subscribe if you'd like. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.